Hey guys, I've got another pre-order video to show you guys. So I'm going to give you some information on another pre-order product, one that I had pre-ordered. And this is also by Eaglemoss. It's the Build Club. And what this one is the Build the R.M.S. Titanic. And I couldn't help myself with this one. I was going through my emails and I had seen an email that said new collection launch, DC Diecast Club. So I'm like, oh, I wonder what's coming out. So I opened it up and it said Build the R.M.S. Titanic, the world's most famous ocean liner. This is 1/250 scale. And as with most of the introductory offers that they give for the build clubs, it's a low introductory price for the first shipment. And it's saying that the first shipment is only $1.95 plus free shipping. So, needless to say, I pre-ordered. So when I opened up the email, it says, "We're delighted to announce the Build the R.M.S. Titanic collection. It's available to pre-order now. The team at Eaglemoss Diecast Club has been working hard over the past couple of months, enhancing your model and adding even more details. This incredibly detailed 1/250 scale model replica of the R.M.S. Titanic boasts an impressive list of features, which include a boat deck beautifully crafted from real wood, 16 highly detailed lifeboats, brass chains and anchors, deck structures such as the bridge and gymnasium, interior and exterior lighting. All these enhancements have been created with pinpoint accuracy, meaning you will be proud owner of the largest, most detailed 1/250 scale replica of the legendary liner ever produced." Now it is smaller. The trumpeter is 1/200 scale. This is 1/250 scale, so this one's a little bit smaller than the trumpeter. And it shows that for only $1.95 plus free shipping, shows the items that you'll get. Pre-order today and reserve your first subscription box for the trial offer price of $1.95. You will receive 2 pre-order exclusive gifts, a set of 2 limited edition prints and the blueprints of your Titanic build. Your first subscription box will contain your first 2 model kits, your first exclusive Titanic magazine featuring your instructions and lots of facts and content around the show-stopping ship. You will get 5 gifts absolutely free just by subscribing. Over the course of your subscription, you will receive a collector's binder, tools including a sander, a pin vise drill, cutting pliers, plus a display base to showcase your spectacular model. It shows you the free gifts. You get cutter pliers, a swivel pin vise and drill. You get the binder, the base, and the sander. And it says order now. So of course I followed the link. And what it took me to was the Eaglemoss Collection Diecast Club. And this is going to be launching in January of 2022. Build the R.M.S. Titanic, the world's most famous ocean liner. This is large scale, 1/250 scale, classic wood and metal construction. The trumpeter is plastic. This one will be primarily wood and metal. The authentic replica, and this one is over 42 inches long. And we hear those wonderful words, easy to build. There are little snags here and there. Those of you that are doing the Enterprise, Build the Enterprise D, we heard those words before. But it's coming along well. So hopefully I get my next Enterprise D shipment soon. But this one, speaking about the Titanic, this one actually comes with the working lights, whereas before you had to upgrade the package in order to get it. So let's go through how the offer works. Build a magnificent model replica of the legendary R.M.S. Titanic, the world's most famous ocean liner, sank on 15th of April 1912 on its maiden voyage from Southampton, England to New York City. The disaster in which more than 1,500 of the approximately 2,200 passengers and crew on board lost their lives is the most fabled seaborne tragedy in modern history. This stunningly accurate 1/250 scale replica of the R.M.S. Titanic is made from wood, brass, and metal, and comes complete with working interior and exterior lights. This buildup is the largest and most detailed replica of the R.M.S. Titanic. It is a truly spectacular model that you will be loving and proud to display for years. It shows a risk-free introductory offer. Pre-order today and you'll receive the first 2 model kits for only $1.95 plus free shipping. Your model kit comes with a full-color magazine that includes step-by-step assembly instructions, plus fascinating features about the R.M.S. Titanic. You will also receive a collector's guide with your order. Pre-order before January 3rd, 2022 and receive 2 extra gifts absolutely free. The R.M.S. Titanic is an unpainted model. No paints are supplied. So, this is a wood model that you're going to have to paint yourself. There's a little asterisk on that. And you see for only $1.95. And it shows you some of the items you get in your first shipment. Now, how this is going to work, it's just like the Enterprise D. You may or may not know about that build club either. But it starts, you get your introductory offer. Well, first you sign up, or you pre-order. You get your introductory order. You subscribe risk-free to start building the Titanic. Your introductory order is $1.95. And then you'll begin to get shipments on a regular basis every month. You get 5 new model kits and magazines delivered to your door each month for only $9.90 plus $1.95 shipping per kit. And your satisfaction is guaranteed, and you can cancel any time. And you're shown the gifts, again, the swivel pin vise drill, cutting pliers, the display base. Now the base is a high-quality wooden base upon which to mount your superb model, complete with unique R.M.S. Titanic badge. And the base is 13.78 inches long and 4.7 inches wide. The swivel pin, vise, and drill is a micro drill bit to enable you to carry out detailed work on the model. Its swiveling head provides an extra degree of comfort and ease. And the cutting pliers are ideal for securing and cutting your model's components with precision and accuracy. And we got the binders, the collector's binder. Keep your magazines together in this glossy binder, when you can retain your instructions and amass a fantastic collection of Titanic reference material. And that's what I've been doing with the Enterprise D build. I actually got the binder just about full. I think I've only got room for one more magazine issue. This also comes with a sander, an essential tool for sanding down some of the wooden components that make up the hull on your Titanic model. It says free with your 3rd delivery. So it says free sander. It doesn't say free sandpaper. So we'll see if you have to buy that. And a swivel pin, vise, and drill I've already told you about. And introducing the model. Now the model itself is 42.36 inches long. Your superb R.M.S. Titanic model features a classic hull construction of MDF lined with wooden slats, plus brass die-cast metal, and other materials for truly authentic replica. An impressive list of components includes a boat deck beautifully crafted from real wood, 16 highly detailed lifeboats, brass chains and anchors, and deck structures, such as the bridge and gymnasium, recreated with pinpoint accuracy. Once it has been built, you will be the proud owner of one of the most detailed 1/250 scale replicas of this legendary liner ever produced. Discover the model. Click through the model to see all the amazing features your build will come with. The R.M.S. Titanic model specifications. It is 42.36 inches long, and from the top of the funnels down, it is 11.41 inches high, and the width is 5.43 inches. The material is made of wood, MDF, die-cast metal, brass, and plastic. Illuminating the Titanic. As part of your collection, you will receive 2 sets of lights for your Titanic model. The internal lighting kit fits inside the hull to illuminate the upper and lower deck cabins and translucent raised roofs on the deck. You will also receive a pair of navigation lights that are positioned externally on the port and starboard sides of the bridge. Turn off your room lights and switch on the model's lights for stunning visual displays. Again, the first time they issued this, you had to upgrade to get the light kit. So it talks about getting the magazine each month, just like we did for the Star Trek Build the Enterprise D. With the 32-page magazine includes clear instructions on how to assemble and your show-stopping model, as a comprehensive range of insightful feature pages that shine a light on every aspect of a ship, whose story continues to compel more than a century after the disaster. So you can see the model, the magazine. So, wondering how this whole thing is going to work. We get a lot of, you're going to love it and it's beautiful, but the commitment and cancel any time. But let's go through one of the most important parts. We got the frequently asked questions. When will you receive your introductory package? Your order includes the first 2 model kits with a full color magazine and includes step-by-step assembly instructions. So I went ahead and I ordered, and after I ordered, I was brought to a web page that says order complete. I have my order summary. It gave me my order number, and it says, thank you for pre-ordering the R.M.S. Titanic Build-Up subscription. The information on the page reflects the details of your order today and your monthly subscription. You will receive an email within 24 to 48 hours confirming your order. Once your order has shipped, you will receive a shipment confirmation email to track your order. And it shows today's total and how I paid. What will I receive each month? After you receive your introductory package, you'll receive 5 new kits delivered to your door every month. Now, it's going to be 5 of them, and it's going to be approximately $12 per kit. So $12 times 5, and that's basically what you're going to be paying for months. And the R.M.S. Titanic is an unpainted model. No paints are supplied, but references will be given. Now, that's interesting to note, because the finished model looks beautiful and pretty, but yet it does not include paint. You have to paint it yourself. So this might be something you might want to consider for the total cost of this model, especially if you're going to have to go and paint it yourself. How many kits are planned for the whole collection? Now, that's another interesting point. The collection is complete in 144 kits. So you take $12 times 5 a month, and that's going to be multiplied again by 144 months. And it says we expect to add more kits in the future to help enhance your model if you're interested. If I break a model apart, can I get it replaced? It must be assembled and handled with care to prevent damage. Store or display safely to ensure no parts are lost. I I had really good experiences when I had the wrong shipment sent for my Enterprise model, as well as a couple of them that were having problems, issues with the parts. They were quick to send them right out. So the customer service is good. And then it shows the payments will appear on my bank statement, and that will be Eaglemoss Incorporated. And that's basically it in a nutshell. It doesn't say anything about the decals or anything like that, but it's unpainted, so you're going to have to paint it yourself. So that's another point you should think about if you want to order this kit or not. So I just wanted to give this quick little video to show you guys. If you want to order or pre-order, I'll put the link in the description below. And I thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.